Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'd like to pick this Abus Titalium 64 Ti-30 out of the box. It's not open yet. We will do that. We will try to pick it out of the box. Oh, look at this mean key. And maybe we can do a speed pick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nasty pins. And it looks like spools here. Well, we will see. Let's do it. Got some nasty weather right now with thunder and stuff. We got a fourth set. Going back to 1. The fourth set came from 3. And we open. Okay. Interesting. It was a quick enough pick. I will try a speed pick on it. It wasn't too bad, I believe. Let's try a different one, another one. No, that's not the one. Yeah, we take the first one. Doesn't matter. Should I give it? No, that's fine. The first one was the best. That was a little speed pick on the 64 Ti-30 out of the pack. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.